Now let's take a look at the top stories making headlines across India. The Delhi government has banned the sale, purchase and distribution of cold-drip cough syrup after it was declared not of standard quality. The order has stated that all stakeholders are directed to immediately stop selling, purchasing or distributing cold-drip syrup. The general public has also been advised not to use the product. Earlier, several states including Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu had banned cold-drip following the death of at least 25 children, allegedly after consuming it. Search operation by the security forces have entered fifth day in Jammu and Kashmir's Udhampur district. The operation was launched following the inputs regarding the presence of 3 terrorists in the area, following a gunfight between security forces and terrorists near Rajouri on the 7th of October. The Haryana government has transferred Rohtak Superintendent of Police Narendra Bijaria days after IPS officer Y. Puran Kumar allegedly shot himself dead. The action follows pressure built by the family members of Kumar, seeking action against officers named in a final note which was left behind by the deceased, in which he accused 8 senior cops, including Bijaria, of blatant caste-based discrimination, targeting mental harassment, public humiliation and atrocities.